Hello everybody, I'm back with another video. Let's start by drawing basic shapes. Do not worry about getting straight lines. Instead, focus on the pressure you are applying on the paper. It should be very less pressure. Let's convert these geometric 2D shapes into 3-dimensional shapes. We will be creating a sphere, cube and a pyramid. I'm going to roughly draw out these lines first. Okay, let's start with our sphere. Let's assume that our light source is coming from the left. We will first start by adding a few tones. Since we know that this is a sphere, we have to make our strokes in a circular motion. Try to move your pencil lightly in a uniform direction. I have used a 2B pencil for the lighter tones. Leave some place completely white. That's where the sharpest highlight would be. Once the tones are complete, take a 4B pencil and start adding the shadows. Very slowly start going over the tones in the parts where the light isn't falling. Just roll your pencil onto the paper. Just make sure that you don't press the pencil too much. Let's use a 6B pencil now and go over the shadows again. There is going to be a reflected light that falls on the edge of the sphere. Let's not color that area at all. I'm adding a shadow to the sphere now. Press the pencil near the sphere and release it as you move the pencil horizontally. Press and release. Okay, you can keep refining this as much as you want, but I'm very happy with the way it's turned out. So let's move on to the cube. When you're making cubes and cuboids, there will always be a flat surface. There is no scope of multiple tones in the same shape or surface like the sphere. So if the light is falling from the left, the top plane will be light. This plane would be a medium tone. And the plane receiving no light would acquire the darkest shade. Add a shadow again. Again make sure to press and release your pencil for a natural faded effect. For the pyramid, we will use a similar technique as a cube. This side would be light, this would be dark, and do the shadows as well. So there you go. Introduction to shading. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Do check out my other videos and let me know in the comment section what you'd like to watch next. Bye.